Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 30 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health, and Hospital Administration, MHA, for various university and institutes like CUT PG, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, निमांस बेंगलोर, JNU, हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, ICMR भुवनेश्वर, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लूर, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, which is the cause of anthrax disease? Which is the cause of anthrax disease? Options are A. Virus, B. Bacteria, C. Mycoplasma, D. Algae. Correct answer is option B. Bacteria. So bacteria is the cause of anthrax disease. So bacteria is the cause of anthrax disease is bacteria. Next question is, the most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing. The most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing. Option A methanol, option B sugar, option C ethanol, option D sugarcane. Correct answer is option C ethanol. So the most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing ethanol. Next question is, a bacterial cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup. How much time will take it to fill half the cup? A bacterial cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup. How many time will it take to fill half the cup? Options are A 30 minutes, B 60 minutes, C 29 minutes, D 59 minutes. So correct answer is option D 59 minutes. So if a bacterial cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup, how much time will take it to fill half the cup? Correct answer is option D 59 minutes. Next question is, which of the following is or are the possible commercial industrial application of bacteria? Which of the following is or are the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria? First is fermentation of sugar, second production of vaccines, third cleaning of oil spills. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Options are A first only, B second and third only, C first and third only, D first, second and third. Correct answer is first, second and third. So which of the following is or are the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria? Correct answer option first, second and third. These are correct. That is, the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria are fermentation of sugars, production of vaccines, cleaning of oil spills. So the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria are fermentation of sugars, production of vaccines and cleaning of oil spills. Next question is, nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing which crop? Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing which crop? Option A wheat, option B paddy, option C legume, option D maize. Correct answer is option C legume. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing legume crop. So nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing legume crop. Next question is, function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Option A absorption of oxygen, option B nutrition of bacteria, option C absorption of light, option D all. Correct answer is option A absorption of oxygen. Function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Correct answer is absorption of oxygen. Next question, which one of the following disease caused by bacteria? Which one of the following disease caused by bacteria? Option A tuberculosis, option B mumps, option C smallpox, option D rabies. Correct answer is option is tuberculosis. So tuberculosis disease caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis disease is caused by bacteria. Next question, which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Option A smallpox, option B mumps, option C leprosy, option D asthma. Correct answer is option C leprosy. So which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Correct answer is leprosy. Leprosy is the communicable disease which is caused by bacteria. Next question is refrigeration is a process in which option A bacteria are destroyed, option B growth of bacteria reduced, option C bacteria become inactive, option D is cytoplasm of bacteria contract. Correct answer is option C, bacteria become inactive. Refrigeration is a process in which bacteria become inactive. So refrigeration is a process in which bacteria become inactive. Next question is souring of milk is due to option A protozoa, option B bacteria, option C virus, option D nematode. Correct answer is bacteria. Souring of milk is due to bacteria. So souring of milk is due to bacteria. Next question, bacteria helpful in making curd from milk. Option A mycobacterium, option B Staphylococcus, option C lactobacillus, option D yeast. Correct answer is option C lactobacillus. Bacteria helpful in making curd from milk is lactobacillus. So lactobacillus is the bacteria which is helpful in making curd from milk. So this is very important question. Bacteria helpful in making curd from milk is lactobacillus. Next question is nitrogen fixing bacteria are found in leguminous plant. So nitrogen fixing bacteria which is found in leguminous plant, option A Azohector, option B Nitrobacter, option C Rhizobium, option D Pseudomonas. So correct answer is option C Rhizobium. Nitrogen fixing bacteria found in leguminous plant, Rhizobium. Next question, virus is said to be option A living, option B non-living, option C transitional group between living and non-living, option D living that cannot be multiplied. Correct answer is option C transitional group between living and non-living. So virus is said to be transitional group between living and non-living. So very interesting question, very important question. Virus is said to be transitional group between living and non-living. Next question is TMB is related to that is. So options are virus, evolution, algae, reproduction of. So full form of TMB is tobacco mosaic virus. So TMB is related to, options are A virus, B evolution, C algae, D reproduction of. Correct answer is virus. So TMB, that is tobacco mosaic virus, is related to virus. Next question, the disease hydrophobia is caused due to. Options are A bacteria, B fungi, C virus, D algae. Correct answer is virus. The disease hydrophobia is caused due to virus. Next question is which one of following contain no enzyme? Option A bacteria, option B virus, option C lichen, option D algae. Correct answer is option B virus. So virus contain no enzyme. Next question, the virus which attack the bacterial cell are called. Option A tobacco mosaic virus, option B cyanophage, option C bacteriophage, option D mycophages. Correct answer is So the virus which attack the bacterial cell are called. So the virus which attack the bacterial cell are called. Correct answer is option C, bacteriophage. So virus which attack the bacterial cell are called bacteriophage. Next question, consider the following. Consider the following. First nucleic acid, second carbohydrate, third protein. A virus is made up of which of the following? Option A, first and second only. Option B, second and third only. Option C, first and third only. Option D, first, second and third. Correct answer is first and third only. So consider the following. First is nucleic acid, second carbohydrate, third protein. A virus is made up of which of the following? Correct answer is first and third. That is, a virus is made up of nucleic acid and protein. So a virus is made up of nucleic acid and protein. Next question. HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called. HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called. Option A, reverse transcriptase. Option B, enterokinase. Option C, nucleotidase. Option D, nucleotidase. Correct answer is option A, reverse transcriptase. HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called. Correct answer is reverse transcriptase. So HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called reverse transcriptase. Next question, virus which contain RNA as genetic material. Virus which contain RNA as genetic material. Option A, reovirus. Option B, retrovirus. Option C, ribovirus. Option D, all. So correct answer is all. So virus which contain RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, as genetic material. So correct answer is all, that is reovirus, retrovirus and ribovirus. All the options are correct. Next question. The water of Holy Ganga's river is pure due to presence of. The water of Holy Ganga's river is pure due to presence of. Option A, cyanophages. Option B, hydrophytes. Option C, bacteria. Option D, bacteriophages. Correct answer is option D, bacteriophages. The water of Holy Ganga's river is pure due to presence of bacteriophages. Next question. The fact that support the concept that viruses are living is that. The fact that support the concept that viruses are living is that. Option A, multiply that they. Option A, multiply themselves. B, made up of common chemical. Option C, cause disease. Option D, can pass through cell membrane. Correct answer is option A, multiply themselves. The fact that support the concept that viruses are living is that they multiply themselves. So the fact that support the concept that viruses are living is that they multiply themselves. Next question. First successful vaccine against viral disease smallpox. First successful vaccine against viral disease smallpox. Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Edward Jenner. Option C, Ivan Boschke. Option D, W.M. Stanley. Correct answer is option B, Edward Jenner. So first successful vaccine against viral disease smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner.